I have a Maytag dryer that is making a clicking noise when the drum turns. I thought it was the drum idler pulleys, so I replaced. Once I disassembled the dryer, I found that it was the motor making the clicking noise, but only when the motor has the tension of the belt on it. Is it a motor bearing or something else with the motor? The motor runs fine except for the noise.
Can you guesstimate how old your Maytag is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
The model is a Pi 4500 AU. Probably 10 years old. Has been a good one.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, if I can.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I have already changed the belt and drum wheel supports and isolated the noise to the motor when turning under tension belt.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be helping you with your Maytag dryer. Please give me a moment to review your question.
Okay. You can just type the answer, that will work fine for me. Thanks.
You will want to make sure that the blower isn't missing a blade or has something caught in it. Aside from that, it would have to be one off the motor bearings. The bearings are pressed in and cannot be replaced. The part number for the motor is W104100996. Since we are on the honor system, JustAnswer will only credit me for my time if you rate me positively. A rating of 4 or 5 stars at the top right of your screen will allow free follow-up questions for this appliance through this link. Thank you.
I was afraid that would be the answer, but thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.